So hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be talking about how Bitcoin is gonna crash very soon. Now this is a short-term crash and we can expect Bitcoin to have a little retracement very soon, but that doesn't mean that it has started a downtrend. So let's get right into the video, and before we get into this video, please do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are currently over at our screen, and as you can see I'm on coinmarket.com, and Bitcoin is currently trading at $42,749.89, and it's currently down by 0.31% in the past hour, down by 0.43% in the past 24 hours, and down by 3.24 in the past week. So let's take a look at Bitcoin's graph and let's analyze it. So if we even look at today's volume, it's at a very low number right now. It's only at a $13 billion number, and it's compared to other days of Bitcoin volume, this is a very low number, and we can already see it's down by 54.77% right now. And even the market cap is at $838 billion. So this is currently doing a little bit bad. 24 hours ago we were trading at around 42,950 something, and we are currently at 42,756. So even if we look at the whole day, we can see our daily high was around $43,041 and our daily low was around $42,570. So in the whole day, our highest to lowest is only about a $500 difference. So we are not seeing much movement in Bitcoin right now. So only $500 of volatility in one day is a very low number compared to other days on Bitcoin that we see a couple thousand. At a regular pace we usually see $1,000 at least in movement in one day, but this today is only a very low number, about only $500. So let's take a look at the weekly graph. So this is very visible on the weekly graph. So if we look at the first couple days of this week, we can see we were doing pretty good. We had a quick bull rally in the first days of this week, and then we were continuing in the green, and then we started having this dump on the 12th, which has continued till now. As you can see, this past couple of days have been pretty flat. We can already see this is very visible that compared to this type of movement and volatility, this is very less volatility compared to the other days. And let's now take a look at the graphs of Bitcoin on tradingview.com. So if we head to TradingView, we can see this is our current situation in Bitcoin. So we are currently on the 4-hour time frame, and as we know that Bitcoin has broken down on this rising wedge pattern, and we had a breakout to the downward side, and we are currently trading at this range of around $42,000 to $43,000 regularly. And we can already see that if we analyze these numbers of support, we hit 3 crucial supports right here. We can see this was our first one, which we hit during our breakout, so we broke this, and then this was our second resistance, which we hit for a couple times, and then we are resting on this support for a little bit of time, and we are currently seeing some consolidation and some sideways movement before we hit any other move. So we can see this is a crucial move, and we can already see that this is a little bit of a bullish scenario. Now this is only a short-term bullish scenario. We expect it to go back up in the long term, but this is what we are seeing for now. So even if we look at, let's take a look at our lower time frame to look properly at what's happening in Bitcoin right now. So let's take a look at the 5-minute time frame, and we can see this is our patterns that we are seeing right now. So let's draw a quick, let me just do this manual zoom, and let's draw a quick pattern of what we are seeing here. Let's switch to a 30-minute time frame for a better look. So Yeah, this is much better. And if we draw out our lines that we are currently seeing right now, we are about to have a breakout very, very soon. Now, this is a descending triangle, and we have talked about a descending triangle a couple times on this channel. So basically, what a descending triangle is that if this triangle is formed during a downtrend, then the most likely scenario that this is gonna break out to the downward side. And if it's formed during an uptrend and it does the descending triangle, then it has to continue to the upside. Now, as we look at this, we can already tell that it is coming from a downtrend. So this triangle is forming in a downtrend, and for the most part we are likely to see this breakout to the downwards side. So we can predict something like this, and we can see some action to the downward side. Now we have a couple days, we have one or 2 days before we actually get to see this, because as you all may know, in the US there is currently holidays. It's Sunday and Monday is a national holiday. So the stock market doesn't open until then, and after the stock market opens, that's when we will see the Bitcoin ETF getting traded, and that will affect this Bitcoin price also. So we are currently seeing this trend, and we are very, very sure that this is going to be a short-term downward trend, and we are likely to see some retracements after the growth that we gotten. So we can already see that we have seen this massive growth, and we had to see some sort of retracement before we continue on the green side. So this is our current situation in Bitcoin. So that was it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about how Bitcoin is forming a symmetrical triangle during a downtrend, and this means that our breakout will likely happen in the downwards side, and we are likely to see some short-term bearish momentum, and we are likely to see some retracements because of all the growth we had. We are likely to set back Bitcoin in a little bit. Now, this is a very normal move, so don't panic and don't sell your positions yet, because this is a very short-term move. And if you are new to this channel, I do daily crypto live streams on this channel talking about any recent crypto news and any recent moves in crypto price that we've had. And also I create long form content like this, so I make long form videos, so please do make sure to check out those also. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below of what type of videos I should create and what type of content you guys want to see. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.